Hello there, this is Aayush Hardas and you're watching Programming with Aayush. So in this tutorial we are going to make a drawing app through App Inventor. App Inventor is a online free software and it does not require to download on the computer or mobile. We can directly use it on a browser. So please subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, comment, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and share. So this is the preview of the application we are going to make. Shake the device to clear the drawing. Draw anything with your finger, shake it. Draw anything, shake your phone. Now let's move on to the computer screen. Now open your web browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Search for App Inventor in the search box and hit enter. Click on the first link you see and click on the Create Apps button. Now you will be asked to sign in through your Google account. So do it. Then it will take you to your account and click on the Start New Project and type the project name. Here I am using my drawing board. Click OK. It will take you to your app. Click continue and we will start. Click on the drawing and animation and drag the canvas on the screen and set the width and height to fill parent. Now click on the sensors tab and drag accelerometer sensor. It is an invisible component, so you will not see it on the canvas. Now our design work is done. Click on the blocks and click on the canvas one in under the screen one and drag the first one. Then again click on the canvas and then the seventh one. Then on the variables and get to all the four of them, x1, y1, x2 and y2. Then click on the accelerometer sensor and drag the second one. Now hit the canvas and drag the fifth one. And now select previous x, previous y, current x and current y in the when canvas one dragged dialog box. Now click on build and click APK so that it shows you a QR code and you can scan it and you can download the app directly through the website to your app. So wait until the process completes. Now there will be a QR code on your computer screen. So you have to take your mobile and scan the code. Scan the code and click copy content. Then open your browser and search in the URL section. Paste it and hit the search and it will start downloading. Open the app and hit the install button. The app will install on your device soon. After the app My Drawing Board is installed, hit the open button and now your app is ready. Draw anything and shake the phone to clear. It's very easy tutorial. Please subscribe my channel. Even you can try it making by yourself. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon without fail.